Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. And the first thing we want to do is we want to take out our SIM card and maybe our SD card if we have one inserted. So we'll take that out and then put the tray back in the phone. Now we want to go to our settings and we want to go to passwords and accounts, and we want to remove our Google account here, because when we want to, like for example, perform a factory reset because we want to sell our phone and the other person that buys this phone wants to set up this phone again and you haven't removed your Google account, this person can only set up the phone with your Google account. So be sure to remove your Google account here. You can also remove your WhatsApp account, but that's not as important as the other one. So you want to make sure that your Google account is removed for sure. If we've done that, we can go to System and then Reset Options, and here we have a few things we can choose. So we can say Network Settings, App Preferences, Downloaded SIMs, or Erase All Data. So we want to say Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Erase all data. All right. Yes, erase all data. And now it is resetting. So if you have any important information on your phone, you want to make sure that you save that beforehand on like another device or an SD card. After that, you want to go ahead and like reset your phone. So now we're almost back. So now we're back and we can set up this phone from scratch again. So that's how you can perform a factory reset on your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.